Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets finished up mixed yesterday with corn and beans trading higher while wheat finished the day lower, all currently higher so far this morning. Got export sales released this morning. They were within expectations across the board for corn, beans, and wheat. We did get some sales announced this morning at the 8 o'clock wire from the USDA that China bought 120,000 metric tons of soybeans for new crops. So it was 2014-2015 delivery. The main thing we're going to talk about today is what we've been focusing on the last couple of days as well, and that's the $15 resistance area for soybeans. Closed above that yesterday at $15.05 and a quarter, and we're much higher this morning. I think we're around $15.31 on the break in July. So as we mentioned, a close above that could signal some increased buying. We got that. There's a couple of factors that sent us a little higher yesterday and continue to go into this morning. There was some Argentine soy meal that was headed to the U.S. that was canceled. And as you know, we're already extremely tight in here, so any inflows that we're not going to get that we were expected to get is definitely going to spur prices. Soy meal is one of the leaders that a lot of people look to see what soybeans are going to do as well. So that definitely helped us support prices on a fundamental aspect. And then, of course, you got the technical level of closing above $15 that's helping us higher as well. Then you've got the fact that we're getting some more soybean, any soybean export sales at all that we got released this morning are going to support the market as well. So that's the main thing we're keeping our eye on this morning is the soybean market, waiting to see what it does post-open, see how it reacts to those 120,000 metric tons that were sold to China. So we will keep our eye on that moving forward, as that's one of the main things we're watching, and we could potentially see it drag corn and wheat higher with it as well. So that's all we've got for today, and we'll see you tomorrow.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risk involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.